might actually have a nervous breakdown. If I don't find some kind of warmth soon, I think I might actually die. I have wandered the wilderness. I'm trying to find this bonfire. All I see are a bunch of signs that say no fires. Oh, look. The windmill, my first landmark. I swear to God, if I get to that bonfire and I don't recognize anybody there, I'm just gonna, I think that might be them.
I had this great idea on BART actually today. We need to do a Halloween like trick or treat sort of thing. We go up to a door and somebody comes out in a Chewbacca costume and they're like Prince, and it'll be so great. Oh no, Prince. That would be better. That would be 1,000 times better.
We should do a video on how people confuse Prince with Prince.
Yeah.
Everybody, really fast, I just wanted to say hello. Hello! The main purpose of the whole night basically is to be with Anthony and Brandon from Mixed Nuts.
Tamor, how you doing?
Pretty good. I just got out of the water.
You're looking very nomadic.
Yeah, this is my natural state.
It's our first bonfire. I'm great.
Yeah, how about that?
All right.
Wow, the glasses are great.
I have nothing to say right now.
You have nothing to say? That's rare.
I don't have anything in my team.
How's it going?
It's going all right. How are you?
Good. We rode up and I was like, he's like, oh, whose bonfire is that over there? I was like, oh, no worries, it's just us.
That's ingenious. I think success, right?
That's a skill. Is like knowing what the.
It's pretty hot. Pretty hot. Considering it just came out of an open flame.
It's a hot seat.
Showdown.